Welcome to the next features of DKP Nuggets. And today we are going to talk about a concept called frame of reference from a psychological point of view. See the number which I have written over here, as you can all see. If I see from my angle or my side, it's a 6. If a person sitting just opposite to me, when he sees this number, he or she will say that this is a 9. Both are absolutely correct. The angle or the side from which I am seeing, it's showing as 6, and the angle from the other person is seeing is it's absolutely 9 over there. Consider another example, rains, which are happening currently a lot in our country, right? So typically we observe two different kind of people giving their views on these rains. One, very happy, enjoying the moment, having a hot cup of tea or a coffee, some going with good snacks and all. Other part of the group or other people who see this as a kind of a pain, as it leads to messing up of the entire house, the dampening of the surface, no sun rays, no sunlight, possible health issues and all. And every time we see people telling, or these kind of people telling how they cannot enjoy rain, and these people telling how they can be so feeling blissful about this rain season and all. It affects us a lot in all the means. Friends, both these perspectives are right from their frame of reference. These groups might be enjoying because the way they are currently positioned in their life or in that situation. These groups of people are also right probably the way they are positioned in their life at that situation. See, what happens is, when we try to shift our roles, which we hardly do, which we rarely try to do, we try to get a view from other angle also. What affect this different perspective of human being on a similar situation? So if we can just summarize that, I think there are three major factors which plays a very important role. Number one is upbringing. Number two is your socialization or the social connects and the social experience which you have got from different places. And number three is your mindset. Whatever views, whatever perception, whatever thought we are having about a particular person, about a particular situation, it entirely conglomerate into these 3 pointers. How you have built up in your childhood, what are your values, what are your upbringing models over there, the imprinting part, the social connect, the modeling part when you were growing up in your teenage, the way you were affected by your social peers and all. And number 3 is your mindset, which you have developed and which you have encompassed in last so many years. If we combine all these 3 things, you have a particular view or a particular perspective about a particular situation. But normally the person over here hardly goes to the other sides to see the thing from their views or their angle. And the person from here hardly comes to this side to see the view of these particular individuals. Problem we face in the society, all kind of troubles which are happening, is all on the aspect of social management. When we see and when we feel that whatever I am doing, that is the right and the correct way to do. If on the same situation, some other person is having a different view and all, we try to demean that particular individual, and same from these side also. So friends, understand the frame of reference is absolutely different for different individual because of the experience they have faced in the life, because of their values and the belief, because of probably they might be having a lot of hardship in that situation compared to you. You might feel this is nothing, but for them it would be a very different and challenging scenario. If we remove all these kind of ego, if we remove all these kind of rigidity from our mind and try to see the life and try to see the situation from other perspective also, I think we'll be in a better situation to do a social management where we'll be able to make an impact on the overall societal thing in a very positive way, rather than demeaning the other person and uplifting the one person. Just try to put the lens of the other person to see things from their perspective. It will make a lot of sense. In our next workshop, which we have designed especially on the social management, we have designed a lot of simulations and reference point to understand this frame of reference and how to manage the social aspect of that, considering these 3 pointers. If you are interested, do join us, and it would be fun to have you on the board. Thank you so much.